Hey, you guys, here is what I'm talking about the first time that we're going to do this. I did say that all three of these were interchangeable, right? Oh, the tape is coming off. I'll have to fix it later. Okay, whatever. Just hang in there. Go with it. Okay, so here's the thing. In this part for point slope form, okay, it says write an equation in point slope form, which is right here, okay? We're going to write the equation in point slope form first, given these 2 points, okay? And then after we write it in point slope form, okay, we're going to what? Then write the equation in what? Slope-intercept form. Need I remind you? I don't think so. I think it's in your brain cells. Y equals mx plus b. Okay, folks? So, step 1. Write the equation in point-slope form given these 2 points. Okay? And then we're going to solve for slope-intercept. So, here we go. Easy peasy. Here we go. What do? X sub 1, y sub 1. X sub 2, y sub 2. Here we go. Well, first we have to fill in the slope. All they gave us was 2 points, right? Doing what we did in the last video, and then secondarily solving for slope-intercept. So we have to find the slope first. Okay, so we have negative 6 minus 4, and then negative 3 minus 2. Okay, and so we have negative 6 minus 4 is a negative 10. And then negative 3 minus 2 is a negative 5. Okay, so a negative divided by a negative gives you a positive, and 10 divided by 5 is what? 2. Put it there. 2. Halfway done. Okay? So now we're just going to choose, just for fun, I'm going to choose the 2 negatives. Yes, because I feel like having fun. Yes! So here we go. What is that going to do? Y value goes here, negative 6. There's that double negative again. Circle, put the plus. Yep. Be mindful of that. Our x value is negative 3. Negative. Ready? Circle, put the plus. So let's clean it up, okay? So we just wrote the equation of a line in point slope form. Given those 2 points, we did it. We did it. Shazam. Right there. Step 2. What do they want? They want us to then write the equation in slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, so it has to be solved for y. So we're halfway there. Here we are right now. Okay? So what do we need to do? How do we get this y all by itself? Well, we have parentheses, people. What do parentheses mean? Multiply. Okay? Distributive property. 1 and 2. Bring it down. Y plus 6 equals 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 3 is a positive 6. There we are. Have we solved for y yet? No. What do we need to do? Subtract 6. Y equals 2x. And if we subtract 6, 6 minus 6 is 0. There it is. There's the equation of your line. If you want to put plus 0, okay, but 2x plus 0 plus nothing. But this basically tells us that the y-intercept is at 0, 0, is at the origin. So where this line crosses over the y-axis is through 0. Okay? So you're done. So you just wrote the equation of a line in slope-intercept form from point slope. So we're going to do this one together because I know that the slope will turn out to be a fraction, and you need to know how to handle it when it's a fraction. Okay, so here we go. Same 2 steps. So write these 2 points, positive 3, positive 2, positive 6, positive 4. Okay, and I'm going to erase this and reuse. Okay, and of course, I'm going to put in my subtraction symbols. Can't forget that, okay, in the point slope form, because that is very important. Those are subtraction. Okay, and let's clean this up. All right, so here we are. We have our x sub 1, y sub 1, our x sub 2, y sub 2. Okay, so step 1, once again, find the slope. How you doing, folks? All right. So here we go, 4 minus 2. M 4, positive 2. X sub 2 is 6. X sub 1 is 3. Here we go. 4 minus 2 is 2. 6 minus 3 is 3. 2/3. 2/3. That's our slope. We're writing the equation of a line in point slope form. Given these 2 points, okay, take that slope, put it here. Put it here, people. 2/3. Fabulous. Okay? Now we can choose one of these points. Of course, I'm going to choose the point that has the smaller numbers. Easier to work with. Makes sense. Pretty simple, okay? So our y value is 2, so put the 2. Okay? Our x value is a positive 3, put the 3. So right now, folks, you have completed step 1. You wrote the equation of a line in point-slope form, okay? Now we have to what? Then write the equation in slope-intercept form, okay? So we have to solve for y. Easy peasy. Here's the trick. Everyone, put the star. Yes, you know I tell it to you. Put the star. You know what? Go to town. Go crazy. Go nuts. Put the star. Listen, I need to teach you a trick. When you are solving for slope-intercept form, when you're solving for y, from point-slope form to solving for y, and you have a fraction for the slope. This is a trick. You need to know this. Are you ready? Here we go. You have to take the numerator of the fraction, and you're going to distribute to the two terms to the right. Then you take the 3, the number that is in the denominator. This is only when you have a fraction for your slope. Oh, let me say that again. Only when you have a what? Say it. Fraction with the slope. Take the 3. Here's the trick. And you're going to distribute that to the two terms to the left. Okay? Here we go. 3 times y is 3y. 3 times negative 2 is what? Negative 6. Bring down the equals. 2 times x is what? 2x. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. Have we solved for y? No. Circle it. Do it. Do it now. Circle it. I don't know how this happened, but we're going to get another 0 for our y-intercept. I seriously don't know how this happened. This was just crazy, crazy town luck. Anyway. All right, so we solve for y. So what do we need to do? We need to add 6 and divide by 3. Let's do it. Add 6, add 6. They cancel, cancel. No big deal. Bring down the 3. 3y equals 2x. Here we are. Have we solved for y yet? No. What do we need to do? Divide by 3. Here we go. Divide by 3, divide by 3, cancel, y equals 2/3 x. That's it. Even though there isn't it, well, we know it's plus 0, and we, once again, I don't know how this happened. I promise you I didn't even plan this. Okay, the y-intercept, where does this line cross over the y-axis? At 0, 0. No big deal. You know, but just so that you know, we have another example we're going to do together down here, negative 2, 9, and positive 1, positive 6. Write that down. You're going to do it. We're going to do it together live, and I'm sure that we will have, you know, a regular number for a y-intercept. No big deal. Okay, so let me just write that for you. Okay, so I want you to do, I'm going to write it up here for you. Negative 2, positive 9, positive 1, positive 6. So you're going to take these 2 points, write the equation of a line in point-slope form, okay? Then solve for slope-intercept form. You can do it. Go for it, people. Go.